Oh, it is working now. How about that? Maybe. Let's see what happens here. Yep. We got our YouTube back.
There we go.
This inmate, please.
No, sir.
This is just regular plea judgment here.
Yes, sir. And they should have Zoom 1210 next to them.
Zoom 1211, Zoom 1210. Or the ticket in here. Okay.
I was gonna mention those as soon as Zoom was over. That way you can,
So we have
you have
Xander Davis.
Xavier Davis goes with Minnie Peter. Donovan.
He's on there. I'm gonna go ahead and do that one then.
You should have me
Don't.
trying to get in.
We don't. You don't know how to do it.
Oh, it says, oh, here, and now it says connecting. No, it doesn't say connecting. Did you know? I think that was the doorbell.
Well, it wasn't you.
No?
That's probably you. Yep. There you go. So it didn't bring you in.
It's still connecting, it says.
This is joining. It's slow to connect today. No. There you go.
Morning, Judge.
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good. We're waiting for Claudia's machine to hook up.
Cool.
Well, it shows you on the screen.
Mr. Davis, can you hear us?
He can't yet. It's still connecting audio.
Okay.
It didn't connect. Can you hear us now?
Is your Bluetooth on? Remember I told you to turn your Bluetooth? Bluetooth off?
If he can't hear you,
You're right on my note. Yeah, we had this issue yesterday. He had to turn the Bluetooth off. I'm gonna write him a note.
okay. There we go. Not now you have to unmute.
When you,
The little red microphone button. Can you
Yeah.
hear us?
Unmute yourself, Mr. Davis. There's a red microphone button. Just push that and you'll unmute yourself.
There
Can
you
you hear me now?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. If you would raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Is your true name Xavier Lamar Davis?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand in this case you're charged with possession of marijuana?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you had enough time to go over the case with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it looks like y'all worked out a plea agreement for 6 days in jail. You'll get credit for 2 days, and you're going to finish your sentence tomorrow night beginning at 8 o'clock, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, assuming you're just going to go through Monday and be done with the jail time, is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You understand we're doing this plea electronically, and your attorney is online with us right now. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that okay with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
To the charge of possession of marijuana, how do you plead?
Yes.
Accept your plea of guilty. Find you guilty, sentence you to 6 days in jail. You'll get credit for 2 days. So you'll owe 4 days. We'll let you go in tomorrow night at 8 o'clock. You'll be released Monday morning at 12:01 a.m. That will be your 4 days. You will owe some court costs. We'll let you meet with collections later today to work out a payment schedule for any court costs, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about anything?
No, Your Honor.
Can you be up here in about a half hour? Are you in the parking lot right now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Give us a few minutes and come to County Court Law number 3. Just wait outside in the hall. The bailiff will come out and find you. He'll get your fingerprint. Then we'll send you up to collections, okay?
All righty.
All right.
And Judge,
Yes.
I did have a question. So on his driver's license suspension, I was going to ask if we could give him a little bit more time since the holidays are coming up. He does want to try to get an occupational license.
Yeah, I can delay it for 30 days.
Would we be able to do anything more than 30? Just because I know the courts are pretty much closed for like a full week. Christmas.
They won't. The clerk's office doesn't like license suspensions more than 30 days. So they want to get it finished up by then. Does that make sense?
Okay.
But I mean, we'll be around if you want to get an occupational done, we can do you an occupational anytime.
He might be doing it in JP. Judge. I think the filing fee's a little bit less. Yeah.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you,
y'all.
Judge. Maybe excused.
Yeah. See you later.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too. What day is Monday?
Next Monday.
14th.
Yes, sir.
All right. You don't have to stay on. You can come on in.
Oh, I'm coming. Okay. All right. Thanks.
Next. All right. Let's see who else we got. We have David Burrows. Who's his client?
Let me see.
Hey, Judge.
Are you?
Excellent, thanks.
Mr. Hawkins, you're muted.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
Are y'all, ready?
Yes, sir.
If you would raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give me the truth, the whole truth, nothing but truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Your true name, George Robert Hawkins Jr.
Yes.
And do you understand you're charged in this case with driving while intoxicated?
Yes, sir.
You also understand there's a separate paragraph that alleges you had a BAC above a 0.15.
Yes.
Have you had enough time to go over the entire case with your attorney?
Yes.
And it looks like y'all worked out a plea agreement for a probated sentence. You understand that?
That's correct.
And do you also understand that we're doing this plea electronically and your attorney's online with us right now?
Correct.
Are you okay with that?
I'm sorry, you.
Are you okay doing the plea electronically?
Yes.
All right. To the charge of driving while intoxicated, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And to the allegation that you had a BAC above a 0.15, is that allegation true?
Yes, sir.
All right. I accept your plea. Find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days in jail. The jail sentence, however, suspended and probated for 15 months. You're going to be placed on community supervision for 15 months or do things contained in your plea agreement. You will need to meet with collections and probation at some point this morning. Can you be up here in about a half hour or so?
Thank you.
Process. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And is this a case that happened before September of 2019? Or after?
Yes. Right around there.
It happened October 12th of 19.
Okay. So we have to deal with the statutory fine. I guess it's going to be, is it $6,000? It's not, it doesn't have to pay it. It's going to be probated
Thank you, Judge.
because it's not a final conviction. If you don't make it on probation, then you have to worry about that statutory fine becoming owed. So. All right. Yeah, if you will head up here, come to the first floor, County Court Law number 3, just wait outside in the hall. The bailiff will come out and bring the paperwork to you, get you fingerprinted. He'll send you up to collections. You'll meet your collections, you'll meet your probation, then you'll be out of here, okay?
You said first floor, right?
It's on the first floor you come to, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
There's actually a floor below us, but we call that the basement, so. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Any question about anything?
No, sir. I'll follow up with David. I appreciate it.
All right. Good luck, y'all. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope I did the right one. I did.
Yeah, George. We want Warren.
All right. Oops. All right. Now we have. Let's see. We have a choice of who's Carl's. Is Nee's in his office with him? He's not on here. Let's do Carl's. Then I guess we're missing one other one.
Hello, Judge.
How are you? Oh.
I see my client's name. Is he there? Do I need to call him?
Well, he's muted.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Taylor, you there?
We can hear
Yes,
you.
sir.
We can't see you.
You have a.
There you go. There we go. All right. All right. If you would, raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give being truth, the whole truth, nothing but truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Is your true name Taylor Rex Freak?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand your charge in this case with violating the duty upon striking a fixture or highway landscaping, basically hit and run? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Have you had enough time to go over this case with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
And it looks like you and your attorney worked out a plea agreement for what's called deferred adjudication. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand how deferred works?
Not fully.
Okay. Well, what happens is if you do everything you're supposed to do while you're on probation, you will not have a conviction. Okay.
Okay.
And at the end of your probation, you'll have the immediate right to petition the court for non-disclosure of your records. Okay.
Okay.
Means you can hide it from the public. Okay. In addition, I'll also let you know that in this court, if you get everything done early, it's very likely you can get released early from probation. Okay.
All right. Yes, sir.
All right. And you understand also we're doing this plea electronically and your attorney's online with us right now.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay doing the plea electronically?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. To the charge of violating your duty upon striking a fixture, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your pleading guilty, defer a finding of guilt for a period of 12 months. You're going to be placed on community supervision on deferred status for 12 months, or to do the things contained in your plea agreement. You will need to meet with collections and probation at some point this morning. Can you be up here in about a half hour or so?
Well, I live all the way out in Rockwall, so I could be there in probably like 45 minutes, an hour.
Okay, well, head over and we'll just see you when you get here, but come to County Court Law number 3, wait outside in the hall, and we'll bring the paperwork out to you, okay?
All right. Yes, sir. And you
Yes.
said that's County Clerk 3?
County Court at Law number 3.
I'll
Okay.
call you, Taylor, and explain after we get off. He has another case also, Judge.
In here?
Yes, it's a companion case, a possession of marijuana that was reduced to Class C.
Okay, I'll take care of that. We don't need to
Okay.
do that on the record since it's Class C. All right?
All right. Yes,
Any other
sir.
questions? Good luck.
No, sir.
Thank you.
All right,
All right.
Judge.
Thank you, sir.
See you later.
Thank you. May I have excuse?
Appreciate it, Carl.
See you later. And then, let's see. So we're missing a lawyer, right? Is that
It would be me, Alan, you, and Donovan Davis. Those are the only 2 we have left.
I thought we were 5.
No, it's 5 cases.
4 lawyers, 3 lawyers. Okay. We're waiting on him then. I'm going to bring him in. It says I could ask Claudia to unmute. I don't want to do that, do I?
While you're waiting, do you want to do? Cody?
Good morning. How's
How are you?
today?
He has a green screen set up. You can put anything behind him.
I just got a phone with Mr. Davis and he should be hopping on shortly.
Okay,
How are you guys doing?
great.
Staying out of trouble? Hey, Claudia.
That'd be silly. Donovan Davis, is that right?
Also resending the link to him myself right now.
The Zoom hearing, is that why I got exhibits? What were those for yesterday?
You probably- which one's open?
I don't know.
Yes, you have. Things from here, things from here.
Okay. Gotcha.
He's saying that he had some technical difficulties, Judge, and so I told him to restart the app and try to click that link again.
Yep, just turn it off, turn it back on. That's how you
Mhm.
settle every electronic problem.
Yep.
It should be like a jail app. If you go in jail, you just get on an app. Virtual jail. Save money.
Check in the queue, and then they bring it in, and then.
Eat bologna.
Send a copy to the state. I emailed it to them, but I just printed him out a copy last week. How y'all doing over there? Everybody good? Be quiet.
Their certificate and class C right next to each other, so you can take care of those.
Well, I have to get out of this.
Then never mind.
I'm not getting out of this
I
until
get
it's
it.
done. Sounds are the exhibits.
What?
Exhibits I have here are not. They're sent by.
I was thinking she was going.
Okay. This one's on Bogart.
Oh, there is a delivery today. there's two. Bogart is, Chris Frederick after the mental health, but it's inmate related. But yes, that's why you have those. That's what I was trying to get back to, right, there's a
What is it?
year long work on reduction.
Bogart? It's felony case.
There are felony cases, but we have too far because there's two misdemeanors.
Okay. Yeah. It's not at 17032.
But
Have-
the one, so what you got with Chris Bogart is separate, but it's gotta be on the inmate stuff because it's an inmate. The only 17032 you have, those two are both with Mr. Farkas. One of them Salazar and it's an exhibits from him.
Gotcha. What's going on with felon? They already got bond. So it could be a waste of time. Okay. Here we go. Mr. Davis, you're muted and we can't see you.
Can you hear me now?
We can hear you. We can't see you though. You have audio or video hooked up?
I'm not sure why the video is not coming through. Would it be acceptable just with the audio?
I'm okay with it. Are y'all okay with that?
I have no objection, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, let's do it with the, oh, there you
There
are.
we go.
Yeah.
If you would, raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give be a truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, stuff you got.
I do.
Is your true name Donovan Joseph Davis?
It is.
And do you understand in this case you're charged with theft?
Yes.
You can keep your hand down. And it looks like you and your attorney have worked out a plea agreement for 2 days in jail. You'll get credit for 2 days. Your jail time's done. You'll probably owe some court costs, okay?
Yes.
And do you understand we're doing this plea electronically and your attorney is online with us right now? Are you okay with that?
Yes, sir.
All right. To the charge of theft, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your plea guilty, find you guilty, sentence you to 2 days in jail. You're gonna get credit for 2 days. Like I said, Your jail time's done. You probably owe some money for court costs, and we'll let you meet with collections to work out a payment schedule for court costs. Can you be up here in about a half hour or so?
Not a half hour. I'm still in Dallas, but at some point today.
Well, you got to be here by about 11 or so. Can you be here by 11?
I can try my best. I can't
Okay.
promise because I'm not in my own vehicle right now.
If you will head up here, just come to County Court Law number 3, wait out in the hall. The bailiff will come out and find you and bring you the paperwork, okay?
All right. Thank you.
We'll see you about whenever you get here, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thank y'all.
Thank
See you
you.
later.
Thank you, Judge.